Hello viewers, welcome to Computer Tips and Tricks by Soumen in this channel. Today I am came back with a new exciting video. So watch the video but don't skip it. Today I am going to show you about how to go File Manager by keyboard shortcut. Normally we go to File Manager by clicking this PC by this or click here. I am going to show you how can you go it by keyboard. After watching the video, you don't have to do this. So let's start the video. If you use Visual Warno, keep the font in like this English. Now press Windows plus E. Here you can see I am in File Manager by keyboard shortcut, very easy. So for next time, don't waste your time by clicking this quick keyboard shortcut. You can go to File Manager very easily. So for more exciting video, press the subscribe button. For this, you will get a notification. Thank you for watching the full video. I hope you will be stay with me in the next video by subscribing my channel. Thank you.